Morning, it's me, JimmyaGeek. So the question is
Subscribe
that
now.
is the veterinary assistant course from the Penn Foster, the associate degree in veterinary assistant. I think it's veterinary technician. Yeah, veterinary technician is worth it from Penn Foster. If you don't know, I applied the veterinary technician associate degree. I just pay like 50 US dollar, like the minimum deposit, and then after that I just call my credit card company and tell them to cancel it, because most of the material is quite crap. Like they was using the PDF file which looked like it was 20 years old. Like I can go to Amazon and buy a veterinary book for $20 and much better. I wasted my $50. Then why, how you can waste like $4,000 on a associate degree from Penn Foster veterinary assistant? Can't you go and find a local diploma, something like that? Go to a community college. Like I study in Hong Kong. The community college do not accept me because Hong Kong is one of the most racist. They literally said on my face, you are not a local, we are not going to accept you. But if you are in USA, go to community college. If you are in New Zealand, go and get a 2-year, 1-year diploma. Like how can you do? You can become veterinary by doing an online associate degree from Penn Foster? No one really care. Please do not waste your time and money. I'm really tired, to be honest with you, telling the same thing over and over again. Do not waste your time and money if you wanna become veterinary. If you can't afford to do, my opinion, you wanna hear my full opinion, go to Tanzania, 5-year degree. It will only cost you around 6,000 US dollar for an international student. 6,000 US dollar for the entire 5-year degree, and then another $5,000 it will cost you to live for the 5 year there, total food, everything, accommodation. Let's assume $11,000 everything, your fees, your tuition fees, your accommodation, your food, everything. It will cost you in Africa. Tanzania is located in East Africa. Like just apply and go there. Mostly like your parents should be able to support you. If can't, just go and flip some hamburger, save $11,000, buy the ticket to Tanzania and go. There is no rocket science. Do not do this crappy associate degree from Penn Foster. Please do not do. Please go to any African country, do a veterinary degree. Like the good thing about Africa is that if you're doing veterinary degree, super hands-on pride, like super hands-on. Like you're playing with rhino, you're playing with hippo, you're playing with elephant. Like, I mean, the real experience. Maybe you're working one day in the Serengeti, and another day you're working in the Maasai Reserve. Like pure hands-on experience.
Subscribe now.
My opinion, stay from this crappy Penn Foster crap. Subscribe and bye.